Hello and welcome to the tour of our animal intelligence research essay sources. Now, these sources for your essay have been picked based on credibility. Um, so please only use these sources in your research essay and do not use other sources on the internet. Now let's look at how to use this site, this Padlet site, to read your research articles. Now, each of you chose one topic for your research essay, or one research question, I should say. The first choice was, how do animals use echolocation? The second choice was, how do animals use tools? And the third choice was, what jobs do animals have? Now, whatever research question you chose, that is the research question you need to stick to, and you're going to be completing all your note cards, your outline, thesis statement, and research essay based on this research question. So don't switch in the middle of the project. Now, let's just say that I chose the research question, what jobs do animals have? For that research question, there is 4 articles here that you can choose from. Now, you only have to use three sources in your essay, so you can choose 3 out of the 4 to read. So we have an article here from Newsela, Pup Dives In for Kids with Special Needs. To read the articles, you simply need to click on the picture of the article. It will pull it up bigger here for you. One thing you can do is print the article if you prefer to print the article and read it that way if you want to highlight things or whatnot. You can also use the snipping tool, which we'll talk about in a later video. Do make sure that you read the entire article. We're just going to read one per day and create a note card to go with the article. So there'll be plenty of time in class to read one article each day and take down some notes to answer your research question. What jobs do animals have? Now, in this article, here's another article from Newsela. Shelter dog protects owner with epilepsy. Again, you can print the article or you can just read it here from here. Okay, and then to go back, we press the back button to close that. Here's another article from Newsela again. Dogs are new stars at the White House. So again, scroll to read it here or print and go back. And then we have one from Wonderopolis as well. And again, click on the picture of the article to take you to the article itself. And as you know, on Wonderopolis, you can listen to the articles. Now, if you need to listen to the articles instead of reading them, your learning coach can read them to you. And you can copy and paste text from the Wonderopolis sites. All right, so back over here to our research site. Just a quick tour of the other articles. For how do animals use echolocation, there's an article titled The U.S. Navy Enlists Dolphins and Sea Lions to Detect Explosives and Attackers. From Newsela, endangered species, the Ganges River dolphin. And from Newsela, how do bats use echolocation? And an article from Wonderopolis, how do dolphins use echolocation? And people who are choosing this question are answering the question, how do animals use echolocation? You're looking for some text evidence, some examples, interesting facts. All right, research question number 2, how do animals use tools? We've already read this article together about the crows that the scientists discovered that use tools. Here's another animal, a sea otter, that uses some tools as well, and about how animals use GPS. That's a tool humans usually use. So I hope you enjoy using this Padlet site for your research articles. It's very user-friendly. It keeps your articles organized for you so you don't lose them or forget where you found them. So